Magandang araw mga kabasketball. Ngayon ay ipapakita ko sa inyo ang 15 NBA players na pinagawa ng Rebulto. Hindi nga lahat ng player ay napapagawa ng estatwa. Not even a Hall of Fame player ay napapagawa ng ganito. Best of the best and the great of the greats nga lang ang napapagawa nito dahil sa pambirang nagawa nito sa kanilang koponan. Halika't tingnan natin sino-sino ito. Simulan natin kay Elgin Baylor. Naglaro nga ito ng 14th season as a forward sa NBA para sa koponan ng Los Angeles Lakers. Isa itong gifted shooter, a strong rebounder and great passer na nakilala sa kanyang trademark hanging jump shot. Number 1 draft pick noong 1958, Rookie of the Year noong 1959, 11-time NBA All-Star at 10-time member of the All-NBA First Team. In 1977, he was inducted to the Naismith Memorial Basketball Hall of Fame at noong 1996, he was named as one of the 50 greatest players in NBA history. Baylor is regarded as one of the game's all-time greatest players kaya noong 2018, a bronze sculpture was unveiled. Sunod sa listahan si George Mikan. Nicknamed Mr. Basketball, naglaro ito sa Chicago American Gears sa National Basketball League or NBL at sa Minneapolis Lakers or Los Angeles Lakers kung tawagin ngayon. Sa height nito na 6'10", 245 pounds, Mikan was one of the pioneers of professional basketball. Through his size and play, he redefined basketball as a game dominated in his day by big men. He had a highly successful playing career, winning 7 NBL, BAA and NBA championships in 9 seasons, an NBA All-Star Game MVP trophy and 3 scoring titles. Mikan's prolific rebounding, shot blocking, and ability to shoot over smaller defenders with his ambidextrous hook shot all helped to change the game. Next in line is Jerry West. Marami nga hindi nakakaalam na si Jerry West nga ang nasa sikat na NBA logo. Tinawag nga itong The Logo at Mr. Clutch for his ability to make a big play for Los Angeles Lakers in a key situation, kagaya ng ginawa nitong buzzer beater 60-foot shot para itablan laban kontra the New York Knicks noong Game 3 of the 1970 NBA Finals. West's NBA career was highly successful. Playing the guard position, he was voted 12 times into the All-NBA first and second teams. He was elected into the NBA All-Star team 14 times and was chosen as the All-Star MVP in 1972. Sa paglalaro nga niya ng 9 NBA Finals, ito lang ang player in NBA history na tinangal na Finals MVP maski talo ang kanilang koponan. Inducted sa Naismith Basketball Hall of Fame, named as one of the 50 greatest players in NBA history. Sapat lang naman tanawin ng madla ang rebulto niya, di ba? Ihanay natin si Bill Russell. Widely considered to be one of the greatest basketball players of all time, he was the centerpiece of the Celtics dynasty that won 11 NBA championships during his 13-year career. Nang pinili nga ito ng St. Louis Hawks para sa second overall pick in the 1956 NBA draft, natrade agad ito sa Boston Celtics. With Russell as their starting center and defensive anchor, the Celtics went on to win their first NBA championships from 1959 to 1966. 5-time NBA MVP at 12-time NBA All-Star, Russell's rebounding, defense, and leadership made him one of the dominant players of his era. Sa tangkad nga nito na 6'10" na may 7'4" arm span, ang kanyang shot blocking at man-to-man defense ang naging rason para dominahin niya ang Celtics during his career. Ika-11 is Wilt the Stilt Chamberlain. Standing 7'1", widely regarded as one of the greatest center of all time. He won 7 scoring, 11 rebounding, 9 durability and 9 field goal percentage titles. At ito lang ang sentro sa kasaysayan ng NBA na nanguna sa assist. Chamberlain ultimately won 2 NBA championships, 4 regular season MVP awards, Rookie of the Year, 1 Finals MVP and 1 All-Star Game MVP. Magpakailanman ay hindi na mabubura sa isipan ng lahat ng NBA player maski bagong sibol pa na player itong si Wilt. Dahil siya lang naman ang umiscore ng 100 points in a single game at mapasa hanggang ngayon wala pang nakakaigit sa puntos na ito. Isunod natin sa listahan si Julius Erving, also known as Dr. J. He helped legitimize the American Basketball Association or ABA. and he was the best known player in that league when it merged to National Basketball Association or NBA. Nanalo ito ng 3 championships, 4 na MVP awards at 3 scoring titles with ABA's Virginia Squires and New York Nets na ngayon Brooklyn Nets and the Philadelphia 76ers. Many considered him one of the most talented players in the history of the NBA. Kinilala nga itong one of the game's best dunkers. Naging signature nga nito ang slam dunk. Bago pa man dumating si Irving noon, karaniwan big men na gumagawa nito na nakatayo lang sa ilalim ng ring at basta isasalpak na lang ang bola. Pero sa pagdating nga ni Irving, dito na nagbago ang lahat na tumitake off na sa malayo pa lang sa basket. At ito na nga ang simula ng pag-evolve ng slam dunk sa NBA. Sa ika-siyam, si Stephon Marbury. 4th overall pick in the 1996 NBA draft ng Milwaukee Bucks, pero na-trade agad dito sa Minnesota Timberwolves. Pinangunahan nitong Timberwolves katandem si Kevin Garnett, pero kalaunan na-trade ito sa iba't ibang team sa NBA. Napunta ito sa New Jersey Nets, Phoenix Suns, New York Knicks at Boston Celtics. Suma total naglaro ito sa NBA ng 13 years. Pagtapos ng NBA stint nito, kinagulat ang lahat na ito ay pumirma ng kontrata sa CBA or Chinese Basketball Association. Sa CBA nga, 4 na koponan ang pinaglaruan nito. At sa 8 taong paglalaro ni Marbury sa CBA, nakamit nito ang 3-time CBA champion, CBA Finals MVP, CBA International MVP, at 3-time CBA All-Star. Sa pananatili nga ni Marbury sa China para maglaro sa CBA, minahal na nito ang bansa. Noong 2014, Marbury was named one of the top 10 model citizens for Beijing due to his commitment to the Beijing community and the charity work he provided for it. Noong 2020, during the COVID-19 pandemic nakipagtulungan ito sa bansang China para mag-supply ng millions of face masks na mura para sa hospital workers of New York City. Dahil nga sa pananatili nito sa China, nabigyan na ito ng green card or permanent resident ng bansa. Kaya noong 2019 at papasa hanggang ngayon, ito ay niluklok bilang coach ng Beijing Royal Fighters sa CBA. Dahil nga sa pinangunahan nitong Beijing Ducks to 3 of the past 4 CBA championships, itinayo ang statue of Marbury outside the Beijing Ducks Arena. Matindi nga ang nagawa ni Starbury sa China, di ba? Ika-8, si Charles Barkley or kung tawagin Sir Charles. 16 seasons sa NBA sa 3 koponan. Masasabing ang maliit ito sa typical na power forward, ginamit naman nito ang lakas at pagiging agresibo nito para maging one of the NBA's most dominant rebounder. All-American power forward at Auburn University, Barkley was drafted as a junior by the Philadelphia 76ers with the 5th pick of the 1984 NBA draft. Became an 11-time NBA All-Star, 11-time member of the All-NBA team and the 1993 NBA MVP at kasama ito sa NBA's 50 greatest player of all time. Dahil nga Philadelphia 76ers ang unang kumuha kay Charles Barkley sa NBA, they honored Charles Barkley with a statue outside their practice facility. Dahil nga matindi din ang contribution ng Barkley sa Auburn University nung ito'y nasa kolehiyo, pinagawan din ito ng life-size bronze monument because of his basketball legacy. Kilalatag natin sa pang-7, si Reggie Miller. Sa pagkuha nga sa kanya ng Indiana Pacers noong 1987, naging kilala itong deadliest 3-point shooter sa NBA, lalo na sa pressure situations. Binansagan nga itong Nick Killer dahil karaniwan ang kupo ng New York Knicks nga ang nabibigtaman nito. A 5-time All-Star selection, Miller was inducted into Naismith Memorial Basketball Hall of Fame in 2012. Pinatayuan nga ito ng statue sa harap ng Children's Museum of Indianapolis katabi si former Pacers coach and current radio analyst Bobby Slick Leonard. Miller is widely regarded as the Pacers' greatest player of all time. Sa ika-6, si Dirk Nowitzki. Listed at 7 feet, he is widely regarded as one of the greatest power forwards of all time and is considered by many to be the greatest European player of all time. Chosen as the 9th pick in the 1998 NBA draft by Milwaukee Bucks pero na-trade din ito agad-agad sa Dallas Mavericks where he played his entire 21-year NBA career. Pinangunahan ni Nowitzki ang Mavericks to 15 NBA playoff appearances, including the franchise first finals appearance in 2006 and its only NBA championship noong 2011. Kilala sa kanyang scoring ability, versatility, accurate outside shooting, and trademark fadeaway jump shot. Itinangal na NBA MVP noong 2007 at Finals MVP noong 2011. In 2023, he was inducted to Naismith Memorial Basketball Hall of Fame. Dahil nga sa long years of unbelievable journey of Dirk sa Dallas, the Dallas Mavericks took time to immortalize an NBA legend. Pinuwesto sa labas ng American Airlines Center ang 24-foot statue of Dirk performing signature one-legged fadeaway. Sa ikalima, ang partner ni Michael Jordan para makamit ang 6 NBA championships na si Scottie Pippen. Considered one of the greatest small forwards of all time, he played an important role in transforming the Bulls into a championship team and popularizing the NBA around the world during the 1990s. Pippen was named to the NBA All-Defensive First Team 8 consecutive times and All-NBA First Team 3 times. A 7-time NBA All-Star and was the NBA All-Star Game MVP in 1994. Naisama ito sa 50 greatest players in NBA history. Sa kanyang 17-year career, he played 12 seasons with the Bulls, 1 with Houston Rockets and 4 with Portland Trail Blazers. Pero sa Bulls talaga ito umingay at tinatak ang kanyang pangalan dahil sa mga kampyonatong nakuha nito. Kaya on April 7, 2011, the Chicago Bulls unveiled the bronze statue of Scottie. Makikita nga ito sa labas ng entrance ng Chicago Bulls home court in United Center in Chicago. Inilagay ko sa pang-apat si The Dream, Hakeem Olajuwon. First round, first overall pick ng Houston Rockets noong 1984. Pinangunahan nito ang Houston Rockets para sa back-to-back NBA championships noong 1994 and 1995. He is widely considered to be one of the greatest centers as well as one of the greatest basketball players of all time. Kaya noong 2008, Olajuwon was inducted into Naismith Memorial Basketball Hall of Fame and FIBA Hall of Fame noong 2016. Houston Rockets unveiled a bronze monument honoring Hakeem Olajuwon. A 12-foot high rectangular sculpture nga nakatayo sa main entrance ng home court ng Houston Rockets sa Toyota Center. It shows Olajuwon's number 34 jersey with a basketball behind it and a paragraph below listing his NBA accomplishments. Ihanay natin sa pangatlo, si Kobe Bean Bryant. Pumasok nga sa liga noong 1996 at mula noon, he spent his entire 20-year career with the Los Angeles Lakers. He won 5 NBA championships and was an 18-time All-Star, a 15-time member of the All-NBA team, a 12-time member of the All-Defensive Team, 2008 NBA MVP and 2-time NBA Finals MVP. Pinangunahan nga din ito ng 2 beses ang scoring sa NBA and ranks 4th in league all-time regular season and postseason scoring. Naisama nga din ito sa Naismith Memorial Basketball Hall of Fame noong 2020 and named to the NBA 75th anniversary team in 2021. He gave himself the nickname Black Mamba. When February 8, 2024 came, the first statue of Kobe was unveiled in a televised ceremony. Los Angeles Lakers honored perhaps the greatest player in franchise history. Sa ikalawang pwesto ang one of the greatest center of all time, the one and only Shaquille O'Neal. A 7'1", 325 pounds who played for 6 teams over his 19-year career in NBA, a 4-time NBA champion, 3-time NBA Finals MVP, 2000 NBA Most Valuable Player, at sama mo pa ang di maibilang na All-Star Game. Nang kinuha nga ito ng Orlando Magic for first overall pick sa 1992 NBA Draft, umingay agad ang pangalan ni O'Neal dahil sa angking lakas nito sa ilalim. Paglipat nga nito sa Lakers noong 1996, dito na nabuo ang O'Neal-Bryant tandem para kunin ng 3 kampyonato. Wala nga nang dumating si O'Neal sa NBA, dito nakita ng NBA fans na kailangan palang tibayan masyado ang paggawa ng basketball ring dahil nakilala si O'Neal na may kakayanang wasakin ng basketball board dahil nga sa malalakas na dakdakan nito. O'Neal was elected into Naismith Memorial Basketball Hall of Fame and was elected to the FIBA Hall of Fame in 2017. Kaya noong 2017, one of the top centers of all time was immortalized with his bronze statue outside of the arena he once played in. He was honored with a statue of his signature two-handed slam. Last but not the least, His Airness, Michael Jordan. Needs no introduction sa taong ito. 15 seasons naglaro sa NBA, nanalo ng 6 na kampyonato sa Chicago Bulls. He was integral in popularizing basketball and the NBA around the world in the 1980s and 1990s, becoming a global cultural icon para sa nakakarami and the greatest basketball player of all time. When 1994 came, perhaps the greatest statue ever built in the history of sports was made. It is one of Chicago's favorite tourist attractions. Tinawag ang statue na ito na The Spirit. The 5-foot-high black granite base inscribed with Jordan's basketball achievements and the words, "The best there ever was, the best there ever will be." Kung kayo tatanungin mga kabasketball, tingin nyo ba ay meron pang mga NBA player na dapat patayuan ng rebulto dahil sa mga nagawa nila sa kanilang kupunan? Comment nyo lang sa baba nang mabasa natin. Until next time.